welcome back for today's video. And today we're gonna do some photo editing. Instead of photo editing, we're gonna say photoshopping for today because this is gonna be a bit advanced. So what we'll be doing, we'll be making a floating hat. Okay, a man meditating with a floating hat. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna use a website called Pixlr.com. If you don't know that website, well, I'm gonna tell you about it a bit. So as soon as we enter the website, we have two options. We have the advanced Pixlr, which is Pixlr E, and the playful Pixlr, which is a bit easier. We're going to be using the advanced Pixlr for today's video. So first of all, we press it. So as you can see, I've already done it too. But and by the way, did you know that every time you do something, it saves it automatically? You don't need to autosave. Just delete the tab and it's already saved over here. Okay, I'm gonna show you how it's done. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna create a new. We're gonna add a new image. To add a new image, we go to the layer. We add an image as a layer. Okay, so we're gonna get the pictures, and my pictures, I have them saved in the photos. Okay, so first of all, we need the photo of someone meditating and a photo of a hat because it's going to be a floating hat. Okay, so our first layer is going to be the hat for now because we're going to need to edit it a bit. Okay, first of all, let's make it a bit bigger. We're going to do like that. It doesn't really matter because all we need is the hat. Okay, so just put it anywhere. Even you can put it on a couch anywhere. Okay, so first of all, we need to capture only the hat. To do that, we're gonna go on the little scissor sign. It says the cutout and mask. Okay, so we're gonna press it. Okay, and over here we have the tools that we're gonna use to cut the outside. Oh no, Command Z to undo. So first of all, we want to remove. So the area that we're pressing on is gonna be removed. Okay, so we can make it PNG. No, if you don't know what's PNG, it's just making it transparent. Okay, so first of all, we need to take out the big areas which are that do not do anything to do with the hat. Okay. We're gonna do that. We're gonna do a bit of that, and that, and a bit of that. Wait, we need to make it bigger. Okay, now let's use the draw mask, and we're gonna keep it on 40, and the 40 is the size, by the way. We can adjust it by pressing it. Okay, so first of all, we need to just do these. They're gonna be I just messed up. Okay, let's do it again. I'm gonna do like this. Accurately measure it. Okay, that's not very right, but I'll adjust it a few seconds. We're gonna do okay, bit accurate. Okay, that's fine. Okay, that's also fine. Okay, I'm not that much as an accurate guy with the mouse. And then we have over here. Okay, that was bad. Okay, that's big. Now we're gonna make like a little square. Cut this out. This as well. Oh, come on. Wait a second. Let's do this. And that. Now, wait, and let's do this. Okay, first let's make these like a little circle. We're gonna make it small or big. Okay, now let's use this. Wait, come on. Let's just use this to make life much easier. Gonna make this big. Delete all of that. Okay, there's like a little space over here, so we're gonna do that. So we're gonna bring back the parts, smallen this a bit. No, yeah, okay, 19 is a fair one. Okay, that's good. Now we're gonna take this out. Oh no! I need to press this button. Let's just make the brush big, like that. Now we take more space up. Now we're gonna do this. Okay, now that's perfect. Okay, so first of all we made the layer. So now we're gonna add another layer, which is the guy meditating. We're gonna add image as a layer as well. Go to my photos, or where you have saved it. Okay, there it is, my meditating man. Okay, oh no, come on, Z. Well, first of all, we're gonna do that. Gonna press the button. Like, we need this guy, like this. Now that's good. So, first of all, we're gonna take our layer, which has the hat on, and put it above the one that above the meditating man. Oh, I forgot the whole bottom. Wait, let's do that. Move this to the side. Now let's cut. No, what has happened? We're gonna use a big circle and remove. Not a circle, a triangle, square, whatever. Okay, we're gonna do again with the circle. No, circle. Oh, no. Okay. We're gonna remove from the map, from our PNG. Do that as well, and I think we're pretty much done. Okay, now we're gonna take this. Oh, no! Come on, Z. We're gonna move this to the side, put this to the middle. Put this. Wait, we need to make this a bit small. Oh, we still have more. Oh no. Let's get this. Move. Go over here. Put this a bit of the set over here. Go to our little. Oh no. Remove from mask. Leave that little circle. And let's see if there's anything more. No. Okay, we're gonna do that, and pretty much our levitating guy has been done. Right. We're gonna adjust this, and voila! We have just finished the magic floating hat on the meditating man. Okay, so if you didn't understand what we've done for the hat, so what we basically did, we just cut out the part that we don't want to make the hat into a transparent layer, so you can put it on the layer which just has the meditating man. Okay, the meditating man, we didn't actually do anything, but stay tuned for the next video showing more things about Pixlr. Okay, hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, bye.